Greetings, Sanbonani, and a warm welcome. My name is CBO. Are you a foodie or a health enthusiast, or just looking for a new recipe to try? Join us as we dive into flavors of Mediterranean with delicious roasted veggies to tantalize your taste buds. Wash and dice the brinjal or eggplant. I will leave a list of ingredients and more information in the description box below. Place the brinjal or the eggplant in a bowl. I will use eggplant or brinjal interchangeable or aubergine. Add the cooking oil. I didn't have olive oil. Season with salt and the black pepper, preferable the cracked one. Follow with onion powder, sprinkle the garlic powder, sprinkle the smoked paprika or your normal paprika. Add your fresh thyme. If you don't have the fresh one, you may use the dry one. Then mix with your clean hands. I had to adjust the oil to blend well the ingredients when mixing. If you are new to this channel or you've never subscribed, please subscribe and press the notification bell. It's free to subscribe. It should look like this. Line a baking tray with a non-stick baking paper. Then pour your brinjal or eggplant. In this recipe, we'll have 2 trays of roast. Then we assemble them and garnish. Level it. None should be on top of another one. Please kindly watch the advertisements in order to keep our lights on. Roast between 25 to 30 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This is a second tray of roast. Chop the onions into quarters or quarter chunks. If you prepare them beforehand, you will be able to roast them at the same time. Place the onions in a bowl. In the comments below, please let me know what are your favorite ingredients on your favorite salad. Wash the cherry tomatoes and the fresh basil. For now, we will be using the tomatoes. Poke them with a sharp object like a skewer. Be careful not to poke your fingers. Drizzle them with oil. Season them with salt, followed by garlic powder and the onion powder. Sprinkle them with the smoked paprika. Add the fresh thyme. I am plucking off the leaves so I can add them without the stalks. That's my preference this time around. Please press the like button to populate this video as support. Mix with your clean hands. For more culinary inspiration, please watch my other videos and playlists. You may adjust the oil if it is necessary. Place the veggies on a lined baking tray, just like you did on the first one. The reason we level the veggies or do not allow them to be on top of each other is to make sure that they do not steam but they roast to add flavor and texture. Add the cracked garlic cloves, that's optional. Roast at the same time and same temperatures as the first baking tray. My baking trays were a few minutes behind each other because I did not prepare in advance. Oh, look at those caramelized onions and tomatoes. The aroma is great. In a mixing bowl, place your roasted eggplant or brinjal. Add your roasted tomatoes and onions. Mix the ingredients. Avoid over mixing. While they are still hot, add the balsamic vinegar to enhance and add flavor. Add the crumbled feta cheese. Mix, preferable toast to mix. Peel the pistachio nuts. Love them, the laughing nuts. Roughly chop them to the size of your choice. Sprinkle some of the nuts on the salad, then leave some for garnish. Place your salad on a serving bowl. Garnish with the fresh basil leaves. Followed by the leftover nuts. You may drizzle it with balsamic reduction, that's optional. I hope you will enjoy this hot salad or an appetizer. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next upload. Bye bye.